Hey guys, this is Steve again. Great to meet you today. Today we have another amazing project, IPFS storage solution, as a participant of the Filecoin grant. This is the first grant that we co-host with Protocol Labs and Filecoin Foundation. It is the very first quadratic funding grants that we co-host globally. And There are many amazing projects already submitted their projects to the hackathon, and we have somewhere 40 plus projects there. So the hackathon officially ends on July 18th. Before that, you can still go to hackerlink.io to support all the amazing projects there by voting and donating USDC to those projects as early curators and supporters. You can actually fund those amazing projects early stage, and a lot of the amazing projects will give back to the community when they are at more mature stage. Yeah, so today we have Ramesh with us, joining us on today's project demo. His project is IPFS storage solution, where it's a project that is a single place to upload files to IPFS and share, and it can be done in private and public mode. So without further ado, I'll leave it to Ramesh to introduce his project to us.
Yeah, thank you very much, Steve. Actually, I will show the demo of my project now. Actually, my project, I have tried to make a storage solution with where files can be uploaded both in private and public mode, and it has both front end and back end. And I will just go through the screen first so that I can walk through that one. Just a minute. Just 1 minute. Just a minute. Can you see the storage solution screen?
It's still black here.
Okay. Just a minute. Maybe it is slow. I'm just.
Okay. Yeah, now I can see it.
Yeah. Okay. Here on the left side, I have a private A1 private. Can you see that? On the left side. Yeah. Below that, I have public mode, and below that, I have a self-storage mode. And left down below, I have administration and sign in and login and sign up. Here, this is a project in which I tried to integrate many solutions in one, so that it is easy for me to do the testing. In the final mode, I want these things to be separate. Okay. And right now I will show demonstration only in private mode. As the original setup I did is dismantled, I recreated this for showing the demo. Okay. There are, in this one, you can see where I'm pointing, there is a private storage and a group storage. Can you see that? Private storage and the group storage.
Yes, okay. Yes.
In private storage, you store the files to be accessed only by you. In group storage, you can choose the list of people to whom you can share the file, and they will be able to access through this solution. Okay. Now I will do I have uploaded one file here. I will create a new directory, say called demo3. Yeah, it has created you ignore the errors because this is still a lot of improvement need to be done because I did not have time. I have not done everything. So it has created a directory demo3, and say I want to upload a file. I will try to upload a file. Say, okay. I'm uploading some file here. Okay, please ignore the error. The file is uploaded here, and in the private mode, I can click on this, and it will take me to the the file. Okay, it has gone through to the file. I will just I don't know if you are you able to see the file accessed. Okay, just a minute. Okay, now we can access that. We can also share the file. In this in the web application, we cannot do sharing. So this share will not work in web. It only works in mobile mode. And the download, we can download the file which is uploaded. Okay, so now it got downloaded. Okay, so now we can also go to the group mode and do the similar activity. Okay, only the difference is the thing in group can be accessed by groups. I have a configuration here, A1 config. In this, you can choose various groups. Like for example, here user config management, and here group config management is there on the right side. I'll just move the screen a little bit down. Okay, so here I have created a group called Dora group. Okay, and in that it is using the server. I have named it as private 301, and then when you the node, the IPFS node that it is used is called it can be listed here, and you can select that node here, and then you can find out the if you have many groups, you can manage the groups here, and also you can join others group. Like here, you can join the group by mentioning the group name. Like for example, this is a Dora group. I can join here by mentioning Dora group. Okay, okay. So this one, this is how it works. And similarly, you have in the public mode. I don't have the setup ready for the public mode, so I won't be demonstrating. It will be similar to this. And the configuration is also similar. Public also, you can share files in groups as well as access files. And then this self storage also the setup is not ready, so I won't be demonstrating. I will show the administration part where you can manage the whole solution. Here here you can add new IPFS nodes to join in the private mode or in the public mode and or in the personal mode. For example, if you have a Raspberry Pi, and in that if you have IPFS, you can join that here. I have backend scripts that need to be run on that particular Raspberry Pi, and it will generate a JSON file, and using that you will be able to join. Those work are still in progress. I have not finished all of them. So, and here you can check all the nodes. For example, list. Just 1 minute. I think server has gone down. I'll just check 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Server has gone down. Okay, so I'm back here. I'll do listing. So here you can see I have two nodes. That is the first test and the second test. One is actually private, and other is public. I have not tested the public one recently, so I'm not going to demonstrate on that. And I'm using a concept called slicing the IPFS node. So by which, for example, I'll select one of these nodes. Just 1 minute. I have something called a virtual nodes here, and one IPFS server can be used by many users for providing different services. I have implemented this concept, so still much work is required to make it useful. I'm working on that. So this much I have done. And if you have any questions, I am willing to answer. Steve, any questions you have? Any questions?
Cool. Yeah. How long have you been working on this project, Ramesh?
Oh, about 6 months.
6 months. Yeah. How did you came across this grant program?
Oh, actually, Dora had a program in India. At that time, uh, I had participated in that hackathon in Bangalore. So since then, I am following what Dora is doing, and and actually I did not get time to do much better because I have less knowledge on React. So, but I'm trying to work to make this solution based on that.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah. How's everyone in India right now? Yeah. Remember, Ramesh, I was there hosting the Bangalore Hackathon, and I
Yes,
currently like now I do remember you actually. I remember
yeah, yeah.
you were
Thank you.
at the hackathon, and then I remember you
Yeah.
were our photographer captured some of your pictures.
Oh
So
yeah. Actually, I made a product called reversible payment or puppy pay in that hackathon.
nice, nice. How's everyone doing?
Yeah,
I really
we are all doing good. Um, yeah,
it
a little bit. Now there is improvement in the uh, corona status.
yeah. Is the COVID situation better there?
Yeah, now better. Um, it,
It's better.
it has improved.
So okay. Um. Yeah. How are you familiar with the local blockchain space? So are there any new projects emerging?
Uh, oh yeah, actually there are a few, but I am not yet involved in them because I am trying to finish what is there in my plate because my plate is already full. So I am trying to juggle with that. There
Awesome,
are many
awesome,
things happening. Yeah.
awesome. That's great. That's great. So are you in Bangalore now?
Yes, yes.
Awesome, awesome. That's great. That's great. Yeah. What do you foresee this project to grow to be what do you vision this project in the future, like in 3 months?
Yes, yes,
Um,
yes. Yeah, I am planning to make a mobile app. I have already started working on Prime React as the front end, and I am trying to make multiple products out of this. For example, no, no, in Bangalore, people want privacy, so I want to have a Raspberry Pi at home as a home storage solution and sync it with the website based server. So I have already made the setups ready, so I am planning to gradually achieve that because I am a one man army, so it takes a lot of time to do it. So
awesome, awesome. Yeah. What do you think? Any resources that you need to make your product
uh,
better?
yeah, I am looking for people with skills in front end development because I have already the server and the framework, everything ready. I have, but I'm not actually. I don't have funds to pay salary for people, so I'm trying to find out if anybody can fund that one front end part. I can do the remaining for them.
Cool. Awesome, awesome. Yeah. Uh, Great, guys. If you really like what Ramesh was presenting, and
Mhm.
you want to support Ramesh, make sure you go to hackerlink.io and go to Ramesh Budo page and support his project there. Yeah, Ramesh is a 3-year DoraHacks community hacker, and we definitely want to support him and his great work. So very happy to host you today, Ramesh, with us.
Thank you very much, Steve.
Yeah, we do have a few more grants incoming. So we are hosting BSC Grant 2, Arweave Grant 1, Polygon Grant 1, and Harmony Grant 1, and Stacks Grant 1 on HackerLink platform soon. So if you wish to continuously receive funding from those grants programs, welcome to check on our most recent updates and make sure you participate in those grants as well. Yeah.
Yes, I will do that. Thank you. Actually, I'm also working on Binance Smart Chain. So actually, this feature, this product which I have tried to do has a token feature in this, where people can lend the storage in their home. So I have already the features are there. So I am planning to explore Binance Smart Chain as a token offering for people to earn money from their storage. Still experimenting it.
Awesome. That's great.
Yeah.
Awesome. Great to have you with us today, Ramesh. I hope you all the best. Please stay safe. And I hope to see you one day in Bangalore again when we can travel to India.
Yeah, please do come and you're welcome. I'll be glad to talk to you when you're here.
Awesome. It's great meeting you today, Ramesh. I hope you have a great one.
You too. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. So guys, we're very happy to host Ramesh today with us. And like I mentioned, so HackerLink platform and DoraHacks is going to co-host BSC Grant 2, and we are closely working with projects like Harmony, Polygon, Arweave, and Stacks to co-host quadratic funding grants on HackerLink platform in the near future. Also, we want to announce our partnership with Neil and Platon. So you'll be able to see those grants on HackerLink platform soon. We are finalizing details with them. So always happy to provide incentives and grants to our developers in our community. And yes, if you haven't followed our YouTube channel, make sure you do that. Is one of the sources to check on our most recent updates, amazing projects like what Ramesh presented today daily. Yeah, I hope to see you guys soon.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, have a great one, guys.
Yeah.